So now we will take up problems on orthogonality of circles, radical axis and system of circles, and some other important problems on pole and polar. So here problem number 1. If the circles S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 bisects the circumference of the circle S dash is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Then value of C is number 1 16, 2, 24, 3 minus 42, 4 minus 62. So a circle bisects the circumference of another circle means common chord of the circle must be the diameter of the circle whose circumference is bisected. So that means if S is equal to 0, S dash is equal to 0 are two circles, and if S is equal to 0 bisects the circumference of S dash equal to 0, indicates that the common chord of the two circles is the diameter of the circle S dash is equal to 0. Now since S is equal to 0 bisects the circumference of S dash equal to 0, then the common chord S minus S dash is equal to S minus S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 4x, please see, plus 4x minus 6y plus c is equal to 0. So S minus S dash is equal to, identically equal to what is called 4x minus 6x. So 2x and minus 6y plus 4y minus 10y plus c plus 12 equal to 0 must be a diameter, must be a diameter of S dash is equal to 0. That is center of S dash is equal to 0 lies on S minus S dash is equal to 0. But center of S dash is equal to 0 is, center of S dash equal to 0 is 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. So therefore 2 into 3 minus 10 into minus 2 minus 10 into minus 2 and plus 6c plus 12 equal to 0. So that means, so c is equal to 6 plus 18, 6 plus 12, 18 and plus 20, so which is minus 38. No, it's not correct, something minus 12 means plus 3. I will see 4x minus 6y minus 6x. I'm sorry, this is 10x. 4x minus 6x, 10x. And minus 6y minus 4y minus 10y. C plus 12 equal to 0. Sorry, it's not 10x. That is 10 into 3, 30. 30 plus 20, 30 plus 20, 50 plus 12, 62. So C is equal to minus 62. C is equal to minus 62. So the correct option is, answer is, correct option is option number 4. Now you take up a circle of radius 4. A circle of radius 4 drawn on a card of the parabola y square is equal to 8x as a diameter, which also touches the axis of the parabola, touches the axis of the parabola, axis of the parabola. Then slope of the chord is 1 by 2, 2, 3 by 4, 3, 1 and 4, 2. So this is a problem connected with parabola also. Parabola y square is equal to 8x parabola is there, and you are given a chord on this as diameter. It touches the axis of the parabola, means x-axis. Touches the parabola axis means x-axis. Okay. Now here axis of the parabola is the x-axis. And you know that, so we know that x is equal to at square and y is equal to 2at are the parametric equations, of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So in the given problem, a is equal to 2. So therefore the parametric equations are x is equal to 2t square and y is equal to 4t. Why? Because a is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2t square and y is equal to 4t. So let a 2t1 square 4t1 and b 2t square t2 square 4t2 be 2 points on y square is equal to 8x. Now, therefore, equation of the circle with A and B as ends of a diameter, is x minus 2t1 square into x minus 2t2 square plus y minus 4t1 into y minus 4t2 is equal to 0. So that is the equation of the circle having A and B as extremities of a diameter. Okay. So that is x square plus y square minus of 2 into t1 square plus t2 square into x and minus of 4 into t1 plus t2 into y plus 4 t1 square t2 square and plus 16 t1 t2 is equal to 0. So that is the equation of the diameter, the equation of the circle having A and B as a ends of a diameter. Right. Now first of all, now this circle touches x-axis, implies g square means t1 square plus t2 square is equal to constant c is equal to 4 t1 square t2 square plus 16 t1 t2 since s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 touches x-axis if and only if g square is equal to c. So that is the condition we know. The center x-axis if and only if g square is equal to c itself. Right. So here g means minus of t1 plus t2 square. So and c means this constant term. So this shows that t1 square minus t2 square whole square is equal to 16 t1 t2. Give a reference number 1. Radius 4 implies g square plus f square plus minus c, g square plus f square minus c, t1 square plus t2 square whole square plus f square plus f square. F is this one 16 into, that is 4 into t1 plus t2 whole square minus c means minus 4 t1 square t2 square minus 16 t1 t2 is equal to, what is the radius is 4. So 4 square which is 16. Now this shows that these two, if you take t1 square minus t2 square whole square plus 4 if you take common plus 4 into t1 minus t2 whole square plus 4 into these two plus 4 into t1 minus t2 whole square is equal to 16. Is equal to 16. Now use reference number 1. From reference number 1, t1 square minus t2 square is equal to 16 t1 t2. So that implies 16 T1 T2 plus 4 into T1 minus T2 whole square is equal to 16 by reference number 1. So this shows that you take 4 outside, 4 T1 T2, cancel it, plus T1 minus T2 whole square is equal to 16. So is equal to 4. Is equal to 4. So that indicates T1 plus T2 whole square is equal to 4. That implies 1 is equal to 2 by T1 plus T2 whole square. But the slope of the chord AB is equal to 4 T1 minus 4 T2 by 2 T1 square minus 2 T2 square, but that is equal to 2 by T1 plus T2. So therefore slope is equal to actually plus or minus 1. Slope is equal to plus or minus 1, but in the options he has given plus 1. So in the given options, 3 is correct answer. 3 is the correct option. Right, now we'll take up another problem. Right, this is 2013 asked EMACET. A comma 0 and B comma 0 are centers of two circles belonging to a coaxial system. For which y-axis is the radical axis, is the common radical axis. Is the common radical axis. If r is the radius of one of the circles, then the radius of the other circle, the radius of the other circle is 1 r square plus b square plus a square whole to the power of minus 1 by 2, 2 r square plus b square minus a square whole to the power of 1 by 2, 3 r square plus b square minus a square whole to the power of 1 by 3, and 4 r square plus b square plus a square whole to the power of 1 by 3, whole to the power of 1 by 3. That is right. Okay. Now let R1 R be the radius of radius of the circle for which a comma 0 is the center. And R1 the radius of the other circle. So the other circle. So therefore, circles equations are S is equal to x minus a whole square plus y square minus r square equal to 0, and s dash is equal to x square plus x minus b whole square plus y square minus r1 square is equal to 0. So that is S is equal to x square plus y square minus 2ax minus r square is equal to 0, minus 2ax plus a square minus r square is equal to 0, and s dash is equal to x square plus y square minus 2bx plus b square minus r1 square equal to 0. Minus r square s dash is equal to minus r1 square is equal to 0. Right. Now, what is doing is simply the radical axis is, we know that radical axis is s minus s dash. So therefore, radical axis is s minus s dash is equal to what you get is 2 into b minus a into x. S minus s dash is 2, this will become minus, so 2b minus 2a into x. So 2 into b minus ax is equal, and plus a square minus b square, s minus s dash, plus a square minus b square, and minus r square plus r1 square is equal to 0. Right? S minus s dash. But this is given as the y-axis, so that x is equal to 0. So therefore, when x is equal to this is 0, so a square minus b square plus r square minus r square plus r1 square is equal to 0. So which gives you that r1 square is equal to r square plus b square minus a square. So r1 is equal to root over r square plus b square minus a square. So the correct option is, so therefore correct answer is option number 2, r square plus b square minus a square whole to the power of 1 by 2. This is a matching problem. So in EAMCET, they are asking matching problems also, matching question. Not only IIT Advanced, but in this also they are giving matching questions in EAMCET, recently of course. So here, what here given is, the matching question is, for the circle C, whose equation is x square plus y square minus 16x minus 12y plus 64 equal to 0. Match the items in list 1 with those of list 2. Those of list 2. Right. List 1. List 1, you are given that number 1, first question, the equation of the polar, of minus 1 comma 1 with respect to C. Number 2, equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent at 8 comma 0. At 8 comma 0 to C. Number 3, equation of the normal at 2 comma 6 to C. 4, equation of the diameter of C through the point 8 comma 12 is. So that is list 1. Now list 2 is list 2 A, capital A, y is equal to 0, capital B, y is equal to 6, capital C, x plus y is equal to 7, and capital D, 13x plus 5y is equal to 98, and E, x is equal to 8. Now he has given the correct answer. So he has given the answers. Among that you have to select which is correct. So now the correct answer is 1, 2, 3 and 4 is given, and small a, small b, small c and small d. So the option A is D, B, A, E. Option B, D, A, B, E. Option C, C, D, A, B. And option D is C, E, B, A. So after getting the correct matching, you have to tick which is correct, which option is the correct one. Now you will show this circle is S is equal to x square plus y square minus 16x minus 12y plus 64 equal to 0. Now, number 1, equation of the polar of P minus 5, 1 with respect to with respect to C is S1. S1 is equal to xx1, sorry, S1 means x into minus 5 plus y by 1, y into 1 minus 8 into x plus x1 and minus 6 into minus 8 into x minus 5 minus 6 into y plus 1 plus 64 is equal to 0. So that implies minus 5x to minus 8x, so minus 13x, minus 13x plus 5y minus plus 1 plus y minus 6y, so you will get minus 5y, minus 5y. Now constant term plus 40 and plus 40 plus 64, that is 104. 104 minus 6, 104 minus 6 means 98, minus 98. Sorry, plus 98 equal to 0. So here only the simplification. The idea is very simple. Only you have to write the equation itself. So that means, that implies 13x plus 5y is equal to 98. Plus 5y is equal to 98. So D. So for this, so for first one, D is the answer. For first one, D is the answer. To itself, equation of the tangent at at 8, 0 is S1 is equal to x into 8 plus y into 0 minus 8 into x plus 8 minus 6 into y plus 0 plus 64 equal to 0. That is 8x minus 8x. 8x minus 8x will cancel. Y is minus 6y and minus 64 plus 64 is it, they will cancel. Minus 64 minus 8 into 8 minus 64 plus 64 is equal to 0. So 6y is equal to 0, or that is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, which is A. So for 2, A is the correct matching. 3. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal at 2, 6, at P 2, 6 is the diameter passing through P26 and the center so A and the center Q. So the center of the circle is simply 8, 6. 8, 6. Okay, right. So here I will write 1D and 2A, right. So that is equation of PQ. Actually here see, y coordinates are same. So therefore the line PQ is y is equal to 6 since ordinates of P and Q are equal to 6. Equal to 6. So for 3, B is correct. So therefore, for 3, matching is B. And so option number 4, that is fourth one, the diameter through 8, 12 is the 8, 12 is the line joining, meaning 8, 12 and the center 8, 6. So whose equation is, which is x is equal to 8, because x coordinates are same. Here the x coordinates are same. So its equation is x is equal to 8. So for 4, x is equal to means E. So that is first question, first one D, second one A, third one correct matching B, and fourth one E. So therefore in the correct answers, so what you get is D, A, B, E. So correct matching is B. Correct matching is B. DABE. DABE. Right. Next, problem number 5. Equation of the line equation of the line of centers. Line of centers of the system of circles circles 4x square plus 4y square minus 12x plus 6y minus 3 plus lambda times x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0 is 1. 8x minus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. 2. 8x minus 4y plus 15 equal to 0. 3. 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. And 4. 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. And you know that the solution is for a system of circles, coaxial circles, the radical axis is always perpendicular to the line of centers. So this is radical axis, common radical axis. And this is line of centers. Okay. So in a coaxial system, in a coaxial system, the radical axis, the common radical axis is always perpendicular to the line of centers. To the line of centers. Now, here x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0 is the common radical axis. Common radical axis. So, any line perpendicular to x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0 is of the form 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0 because a1, a2 plus b1, b2 must be 0. So here 1, 2, so 2. Here plus 2, minus 1, 2 minus 2 which is 0. So any line perpendicular to this line is of the form 2x minus y plus 16 plus k is equal to 0. Right. Now you want to find the k value. We have to find the k value. If you find the k value, then you will get the answer. Now, to get the k value, what you have to do is, this is the line of centers. That means the centers of all these circles lie on this line. So, in particular, that is, you have to find the center of the circle. Now, the given circle system, can be written as x square plus y square minus 3x plus 6 by 4 plus lambda by 3 into x plus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, right. Now you can see that for this system, the circle, minus 3x plus 6, 3 by 2y, right, 3 by 2y minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4, it divide by 4 itself, lambda by 4. By dividing by 4, x square plus y square minus 3x plus 6 by 4 means 3 by 2y minus 3 by 4 plus lambda by 4 into so and so. For this system, the circle x square plus y square minus 3x plus 3 by 2y minus 3 by 4 also belongs, also a member. So therefore its center, its center is equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4 must lie, it must lie on 2x minus y plus k is equal to 0. That means 2 into 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4 plus k is equal to 0. So that is, so therefore k is equal to minus 15 by 4, not minus 15. This 4 is there, minus 15 by 4, so that the line of centers is 2x minus y minus 15 by 4 equal to 0, or 8x minus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. 8x minus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. So the correct option is option number 1. So correct answer is option number 1. In the option number 1, you are given 8x minus 4y minus 15 is equal to 0. A circle passes through 3, 4 and cuts the circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus a square is equal to 0 orthogonally. So therefore, the locus of the center of the locus of center of the circle is a straight line. If the distance of this line, from origin is 25, then a square is equal to number 1 250, number 2 225, number 3 100, and number 4 125. Right? Please see a circle passing through the point 3, 4 and cutting orthogonally another circle whose center is origin and radius A. So you can take that is let S dash B is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 be the required circle, passing through 3, 4 and cuts orthogonally S is equal to 0. Right. Now because this S dash is equal to 0 passes through 3, 4 implies 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. 3 square 9, 4 square 16. So minus 25. Or that is 6 into minus g plus 8 into minus f minus c is equal to 25. So therefore, the locus of the center of S dash equal to 0 is 6x plus 8y minus c minus 25 is equal to 0. Minus C minus 25 is equal to 0. Okay, right, you can keep this number 1. Now again, the second hypothesis, again, S and S is equal to 0, S dash is equal to 0, cut each other orthogonally. Cut each other orthogonally. Implies, so implies 2G G dash 0 plus 2F F dash 0 is equal to C plus C dash. C plus C dash is equal to C plus C dash means minus 25. Minus A square. C dash means minus A square. So here you will get C is equal to A square. Number 2. C is equal to A square. Okay? Now you can have that is, so what you are given, now the line 1, the line given in 1 is at a distance of 25 units. 25 units from origin, from 0, 0, implies modulus of 6 into 0 plus 8 into 0 minus C minus 25 by root over square root of 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 25. But what is given here? C is equal to A square. So therefore, A square plus 25, A square plus 25 is equal to A square plus 25 is equal to 25 into 10. 25 into 10. Since A square is equal to C. Since A square is equal to C. So that means what you get is A square is equal to 250. So 225. 250 minus 25, which is 225. So A square value is 220. So answer is option 2. Answer is option 2, 225. So here what you are using is, first use that it passes through the point 3, 4, so that you will get the equation of line of centers. That is equation of that 2G dash plus 2F dash plus C dash, if you use that one, and you will get that line passing through the sample 2Gx plus 2Fi plus C, you will get the locus of the center minus C minus F, which is this is. Now use the second hypothesis. This is the line and its distance from the origin is 25. And also it cuts orthogonally the second circle. From that you will get C is equal to A square. So if you use this information, you will get A square is equal to 225. So don't think that it's a ordinary problem. It is asked in one of the mains examinations.